Now here's how we can do the object selection in Photoshop on iPad. Let me show you how it works. If you are new here, subscribe so you never miss anything important. So of course you make sure you have your photo imported into the Photoshop, right? So you can perform some changes to it. But then you can see that on the left panel we have so many buttons and like tools to use for our image. We want to click on like the third one from the top currently, and it's the selection tools. When you hold down on it, you'll see that there are actually more ways how you can select some areas or objects. So I personally use the quick selection. I kind of like it the most, but there is also more. Like for example, you also have the object selection. So this just lets you just like drag a square around it and it will just kind of load up. And if there is an object within that area, it will automatically be selected. But of course, it's not perfect, so that's why I personally use the quick selection and I just add more things to the, to the selection that way, and I kind of like control it manually, so I can basically set up with come up with the perfect selection for my photos. You can also just like deselect and select some areas which you don't want to select, or go the other way around as well if you wanted to do it this way. So as I say, it's pretty useful. You also have like the erase tool at the bottom, refine edge, and also so many things which you can customize with it, but these are the main tools. Basically, once you have the selection ready, you can do whatever you want. I personally just click on mask and it would just create like the, remove the background and only keep the selected part. So that's how I like to use it. Let me know what you think below. Subscribe for more tutorials and videos like this one, and I'll see you later.